what does the next generation of regional aviation actually look like? In this video, we explore 3 aircraft from Deutsche Aircraft that are helping redefine how modern turboprops operate in today's skies. Built for regional routes, specialized missions, and evolving airline needs, these aircraft highlight a new approach to efficiency, aerodynamics, and operational flexibility. Each model reflects a different step in the company's vision for the future of flight. Watch until the end, because the #1 aircraft reveals how regional aviation may evolve in the years ahead. If you're new here, welcome to Aviation Federation, sharing with you exciting information about the latest and greatest in aviation and beyond. Taking the #3 spot in this episode, the Dornier 328 Turboprop is one of the most recognizable aircraft in the Dornier 328 family, a platform whose legacy continues today through Deutsche Aircraft's D328 Eco program. Powered by 2 Pratt and Whitney, Canada PW119B engines producing 2,180 shaft horsepower each, the Dornier 328 Turboprop reaches a maximum cruise speed of about 335 knots or 620 kilometers per hour, with a service ceiling of 31,000 feet or 9,449 meters, and seating for up to 33 passengers. The aircraft built its reputation through years of dependable regional operations and practical engineering. Even by modern standards, the Dornier 328 Turboprop maintains competitive performance figures. The aircraft offers a maximum range of 1,750 nautical miles, or 3,241 kilometers, and carries approximately 7,557 pounds, or 3,428 kilograms of fuel. A takeoff distance of 3,570 feet, or 1,088 meters, and a landing distance of 2,115 feet, or 645 meters, allow it to operate from shorter regional runways with confidence. Though no longer in production, the Dornier 328 Turboprop continues to attract interest on the secondary market, typically valued between $1 and $2.5 million US. Claiming second place is the Dornier 328 jet, representing Deutsche Aircraft's step from turboprop heritage into faster regional travel, while preserving the platform's familiar design philosophy. Developed for operators seeking higher cruise speeds without sacrificing the handling characteristics that made the original aircraft popular. It is powered by 2 Pratt and Whitney, Canada PW306B engines producing 6,050 pounds of thrust or 2,744 kilograms force each. This configuration allows the Dornier 328 jet to reach a maximum cruise speed of about 400 knots or 741 kilometers per hour. With seating for up to 34 passengers and a service ceiling of 35,000 feet or 10,668 meters, the aircraft proved well suited for connecting regional routes with shorter travel times and dependable climb performance. The Dornier 328 jet offers a maximum range of approximately 1,400 nautical miles, or 2,593 kilometers, supporting flexible route planning across a wide regional network. It carries about 8,011 pounds, or 3,634 kilograms of fuel, enabling operators to balance payload and distance with confidence. A takeoff distance of around 4,485 feet or 1,367 meters, and a landing distance of about 4,285 feet or 1,306 meters make the aircraft compatible with many established regional airports. Today, the Dornier 328 jet remains a recognizable chapter in the Deutsche Aircraft lineage, with secondary market values typically ranging between 11 and 13 million US dollars. Before we continue with the rest of this list, please give us a thumbs up and share your feedback and suggestions in the comments below. We can't wait to read your comments to see what you think of this video. We have plenty of info in the description box too, so please check them out to see other ways for you to support us. And if you find it hard to look for our videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so it will be easier for you to see our aircraft videos whenever. Taking the first place as the cream of the crop, the Dornier D328 Eco represents Deutsche Aircraft's modern vision, built upon a well-known platform, aimed at meeting today's regional aviation demands. Powered by two Pratt and Whitney, Canada PW127 XTS engines, producing between 2,132 and 2,475 shaft horsepower each, the Dornier D328 Eco reaches a maximum cruise speed of about 324 knots or 600 kilometers per hour. Designed to seat up to 40 passengers, the aircraft increases capacity while preserving the familiar handling characteristics associated with the original platform. With a service ceiling of 30,000 feet or 9,144 meters, the Dornier D328 Eco is positioned to deliver reliable performance across a wide range of regional operating environments. Range flexibility remains one of the defining strengths of the Dornier D328 Eco. Depending on cruising altitude and payload configuration, the aircraft can cover between 250 and 1,205 nautical miles, or 463 to 2,232 kilometers. Fuel consumption is rated at approximately 1,058 pounds per hour, or 480 kilograms per hour, supported by a fuel capacity of about 7,970 pounds, or 3,615 kilograms. A takeoff distance of around 3,550 feet, or 1,082 meters, and a landing distance of roughly 3,166 feet, or 965 meters, allow the aircraft to access shorter regional runways. As a flagship of the Deutsche Aircraft lineup, industry estimates place the aircraft's expected market price between 15 and 18 million US dollars. These three Deutsche Aircraft models show how the brand is shaping the future of regional and specialized aviation. Each aircraft demonstrates a distinct balance of performance, operational flexibility, and engineering philosophy, making them notable choices for airlines and pilots alike. Which of these aircraft impressed you the most? And what feature stood out to you? Are there other regional aircraft you think deserve a place in a future ranking? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more aviation feature videos. And until next time, fly safe.